Kids, how are you? For our PLE6, if we have problems with our growing plants, we will use organic pesticides. And today we will prepare an organic pesticides. Here are the ingredients. Cup of red chili, 1 roll makabuhay or bitter plant or panyawan, and 1 whole garlic, and 1 cup warm water. Then the materials, the apron, the face mask, pero di na ko mag-wear kay mahina akong tingog. The improvised hand gloves. Nakoy hand gloves, improvise lang ko. Then the knife, the chopping board, the medium bowl, the empty bottle, and also the improvised funnel, and also a piece of cloth. Okay, so wait. Now, for the procedure, we're going to chop all ingredients into pieces. The bitter plant, the garlic, and the red chili. After, we're going to mix or put in a bowl the ingredients. The red chili, the bitter plant or the panyawan, then the garlic. Then, we're going to squeeze. Okay, put in a bowl and squeeze all the ingredients. So we can use another clean cloth or we can use the strainer. So now we're going to add the warm water. 1 cup warm water. Then mix the ingredients. Stir. And now, using the strainer, okay, we can have now our organic pesticides, a strong solution. Then we use our improvised funnel to put in a bowl in our plastic bottle. Then we are going to add 1 cup of lukewarm water. So we have now our organic pesticides ready for applying the affected plants. Hope you can do this.